When I first started in UL, I thought that the mechanical engineering was the discipline for me, but my perspective changed in a year. Hi, my name is Jason. While I was still in school, I worked part-time on a farm and I was fascinated by the machinery. I wanted to understand how it all worked. I fell in love with UL at a campus open day and chose to study engineering, thinking only of mechanical engineering. But the structure of the engineering degree introduced me to multiple engineering disciplines. Going to college in a pandemic was challenging, but through the group projects, I got to make new friends. My favourite of the group projects was a design, build, compete project. Our objective was to design a small battery-powered car that would traverse a 5-degree slope while carrying a water bottle. It was my first time doing anything like this. I loved doing the calculations and got to create a 3D model using CAD. In my first year, I've had the time to discover what my interests are, but I've made the decision to study design and manufacture engineering. UL has given me a new perspective on engineering and has opened up a world of new ideas and exciting opportunities.
For my final year project, I developed a method of measuring surface tension of different liquids. Biomedical engineering is really exciting because you're developing new products such as hip replacements, stents, and you're saving lives.
UL's engineering programme offers students an introductory first year in engineering with 4 different bachelor degree course options: biomedical engineering, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, or design and manufacturing engineering. Learn about the basics of engineering during a common first year, then select your preferred degree pathway for second year onwards. Avail of exceptional lab facilities and equipment on Ireland's finest campus. Explore engineering. Choose UL. Study at ul.ie.
The design process is what I enjoy the most. To see that design come to life as a 3D model or as a bridge as we've done, it's something to be really proud of.
UL's engineering programme offers students an introductory first year in engineering with 4 different bachelor degree course options: biomedical engineering, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, or design and manufacturing engineering. Learn about the basics of engineering during a common first year, then select your preferred degree pathway for second year onwards. Avail of exceptional lab facilities and equipment on Ireland's finest campus. Explore engineering. Choose UL. Study at ul.ie.
I'm interested in industrial robots, 3D printing and machining parts. What's really fascinating about design and manufacturing engineering is the advancement in robotics. Robotics are being used more and more in industry today.
UL's engineering programme offers students an introductory first year in engineering with 4 different bachelor degree course options: biomedical engineering, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, or design and manufacturing engineering. Learn about the basics of engineering during a common first year, then select your preferred degree pathway for second year onwards. Avail of exceptional lab facilities and equipment on Ireland's finest campus. Explore engineering. Choose UL. Study at ul.ie.
For my final year project, I'm doing an analysis and study of the bubble volume formed on the top of a needle submerged in water. Mechanical engineering is definitely a field that you want to be in right now because of the interesting developments in aerodynamics, fluid mechanics, composites, especially here, even in the research at university.
UL's engineering programme offers students an introductory first year in engineering with 4 different bachelor degree course options: biomedical engineering, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, or design and manufacturing engineering. Learn about the basics of engineering during a common first year, then select your preferred degree pathway for second year onwards. Avail of exceptional lab facilities and equipment on Ireland's finest campus. Explore engineering. Choose UL. Study at ul.ie. The Aeronautical Engineering course at UL is your gateway into the aerospace industry.
This is studying at UL.
Choose to study at UL.
I'm fascinated by planes. In transition year of school, I set myself a goal of getting to Boeing, the world's largest aerospace company. Hi, my name is Hannah. From the first moment I started in aeronautical engineering at UL, I've had opportunities to try many things for the first time, reach new heights and get closer to realising my dreams. I joined so many clubs and societies and got to try new activities for the first time. I participated in the Johnson & Johnson Team Project Award and was mentored by women working in STEM. I was part of the Engineering Ambassadors Programme and completed the UL President's Volunteer Award. The opportunities and knowledge at UL led to me being selected for the Boeing Placement Programme in Seattle. It was a dream come true. I worked in the mechanical hydraulic systems as part of the landing gear systems team. It was fantastic to apply the analysis techniques we learned in college to real-life airplane design. I've loved studying at UL so much that I've decided to stay on and complete a Master's in Aeronautical Engineering. UL will always be my first choice.